Hello friends, today I will tell you how to add pages, posts in WordPress and how to add pages in menu. Before that, if you don't know how to set up WordPress or how to set up theme on WordPress, you can watch our previous videos. Here you can see from the last video we have set up the theme. Now we are going to add pages in the WordPress. For doing that, you just have to log in your WordPress admin. I am already logged in on my WordPress admin. Now you have to go to the pages in your left side and you can see there is a new option of add new pages. Just click on it. Now just give the proper name of the page, like we are going to write my first page, and you can see the builder. Here you can add the text in the editor. We are using the Avada theme, so we have the Avada builder as well. But if you're using the default theme, you can only get the default editor. You can add any text which you want to show in the website. You can also see here is the URL which will be generated with your page name. You can add it if you want. There is a template option which you want to choose and just need to publish the page. When it is will be published, you get the notification your page has been published. You can view your page if you want. Just click on view page. As we are mentioning, the slug or URL is the same with the name of my first page. You can see, hello, this is my first page, thank you. All content is showing here. Now we are going to create a post, or we can say blog. Here you can see post part. Just click on add new. It is the same process like the page we have created the post. For creating a post, you just need to enter a name here. And then the same way, you can click on a visual part so that you can see more option like hello. If you want to make it bold, just click on bold. Or if you want to change the heading type, font type, or you want to bullet, you want to make a left align, right align, or middle, just use anything and publish your blog. Blog will also generate a slug like the pages. It's very helpful in the SEO purpose. You can see My first website and first blog is the slug of the blog. If you want to change the slug, you can also change by editing it from here. If you want to see the blog, just click on the URL. Here you can see my first blog. Hello, I am. Now we are going to add the menu. For adding a menu for that page, you have to just click on appearance, and there will be a part where called menu. Just click on it. Now you have to choose which menu is your main menu. As you can see, home service industry resources is your main menu. Now we are going to add our page. Just click on add to menu. It will be added at the bottom. If you want to move it, just drag and drop. If you want to make it to the child, just move to the child place. We are going to add after the home and save it. After the save, you can check by refreshing the page. Here you can see my first page is added in your menu. If you want to open, just click on it and it will open your first page. Here you can see all the content. Thank you for watching. Thank you. And if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.